The Senate Impeachment Court has the power to bar Vice President Sara Duterte from holding public office even if she eventually steps down from her post before or during the trial, according to a lawmaker. In a press conference on Monday, February 17, One Rider Party List Representative Ramon Rodrigo Gutierrez points out that impeachment has two purposes. He explains that one purpose is to remove from office and the other is to impose a penalty of perpetual disqualification of holding a public office. Gutierrez believes resignation from office shouldn't take away the impeachment court's power to impose the second penalty, which is perpetual disqualification from public office.
And I believe resignation, while it might avoid the first penalty, the second penalty is still there po, no? And I don't think you should take away from the power from the Senate Impeachment Court to impose that second penalty just by simple resignation.
However, as part of the 11-member prosecution team handling Duterte's impeachment case, Gutierrez says the House prosecution team will leave the decision up to the Senate Impeachment Court if Duterte chooses to resign. He says the prosecution panel continues on with its preparation whether or not Duterte's resignation will happen.
Tuloy pa rin ang preparation po, no? So we are still anticipating, even with the resignation, that would depend po the timeline, no? But we would still prepare for it. If there's a resignation but the impeachment court says tuloy po, then we will be prepared. If the resignation happens during the trial, we will be prepared.
The House of Representatives impeached Duterte on February 5 after 215 lawmakers signed the fourth impeachment complaint against the Vice President. However, the Senate adjourned its session the same day without tackling the articles of impeachment against Duterte. Senate President Chis Escudero said the impeachment trial would start in July after the President's fourth State of the Nation address or after the 20th Congress opens its session. The Vice President on February 7 said she was not yet considering resigning from her post even after being impeached.